Welcome to my first but 7th video on this channel. So I've realized that some of you who know me from my TikTok account where I do photo manipulations are on here too. So automatically I am making this channel a graphic design stroke photo manipulation play center. I only hope you know what I mean. So yeah, today we're going to talk about art. We're going to do art. So we're going to film art, and I'm kind of like, I'm not used to this YouTube thing, but I'll see how I can present myself well for you guys to get to appreciate the little things I have to offer. I don't know who is watching me and I'm making all these noises, but anyways, look at this. I've been looking at these designs for some months now, and I think it's time to customize them. So that fridge over there, we're redesigning those stickers on top of it. At the front page, we can create something to cover the whole thing. Let the game begin. And now I have all the measurements up here, and we'll be using that as our guide. One thing also, I'll be going out to get myself a new bed sheet, because you see this one, there are some spaces around and I don't actually love it. Let's get in. So now we're over here on Photoshop, and what we need to do is create a new project. And I'll change this pixels to inches. Change this, I think the width was supposed to be 21 inches and the height is 9.5. Change the resolution to 200. Let's create. So I'm not going to waste much. So I'm not going to waste much time on this. I'll just speed up the process and then we move on. So I have my Makeover cash ready. We would be going there first to get my bed sheet and later go to the printing press. Let's go. Oh nah. Thank you very much. Very much. Would you like to take a selfie or something?
I don't know where this camera is from.
Oh, hell no, man.
Alright, thank you very much. It's day 2 today, and I have my bed sheet and also printed the sticker. But I just realized that where I was supposed to put the stars was around this side, but because they are closer to the edge, it's gonna be hiding, and that's a big problem. It's finally a week later and I went back for a reprint. This time I added these beer bottles. I don't know if they are making the design more beautiful or it's only spoiling things, but I'll leave that to you guys to tell me what you think. But before I put it on, I'm going to try removing this initial one.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
one. But wait, like the video.
Oh my god, bro.